Earlier, we have seen analog meters concept. Now, let us focus on indicating and display devices. To know about this concept, we must be aware of D'Arsonval movement. D'Arsonval movement is also called as PMMC movement. D'Arsonval movement is based on the principle of moving electromagnetic coil provided in a uniform air gap between the poles of a large fixed permanent magnet. Get a look at the diagram of PMMC instrument. I will summarize this diagram. First of all, we will see the working principle of D'Arsonval galvanometer or PMMC instrument. Working principle of this instrument is current carrying conductor placed in magnetic fields experiences force. Observe the diagram carefully. This is PMMC instrument. First part is moving coil. It is made up of copper material with number of turns. Current to be detected is passed through this coil. This coil is placed between two permanent magnets. This coil is in rectangular shape and it is deflected when current passes through it. Actually, PMMC means permanent magnet moving coil. So, coil is moving here. Next part is metal former. It is made up of aluminium material. It supports the coil. Actually, former having no function. It only supports the coil. This former rotates along with the coil. Here another one is iron core, and this iron core is used to strengthen the flux linkage between permanent magnet and coil. Iron core is stable or stationary. So iron core is constant or stable and coil is moving and also former is also moving. Next part is suspension. Here coil is supported by by suspension at both ends in vertical direction, upper suspension and lower suspension. And last one is indicating system. Here pointer and calibrated scale are indicating systems. PMMC instruments allows you to measure the current through a coil by observing coil's angular deflection in a uniform magnetic field. As current is passed through the coil, spring from flexible ligament are provided to make provision for these connections. Deflecting torque is produced as described in the working principle. Controlling torque is achieved with screen and damping torque is provided with the help of aluminium former. Iron core concentrates the flux in the region near coil sides. Deflection is observed on pointer which gives reading on calibrated scale. Deflecting torque is directly proportional to the current. This instrument is suitable for DC measurements only. If it is connected to AC supply, the direction alters after every half cycle and this system does not work with such rapid variations. So pointer stays at 0 position. So PMMC instruments or D'Arsonval movement instruments or galvanometer is used only for DC measurements. Now we are going towards advantages of these DC measurements, advantages of PMMC instruments. Deflection is proportional to current, therefore scale is uniformly divided. Second one is power consumption is very low. Next, accuracy is very high. Sensitivity is high because of strong magnetic flux. It is free from stray magnetic field errors. Single instrument can be used for current and voltage ranges using multiplier. Okay. Now we are going towards disadvantages. This instrument is suitable only for DC measurements as we have seen earlier. Cost is higher than moving iron instrument. strength of magnets decreases due to aging. Okay. Now materials used for this construction of this instrument. First one, magnets. Magnets are made up of ferromagnetic materials. Second, spindle made up of stainless steel material. Spring made up of phosphor or bronze material, and pointer is indicating display or devices. Okay, this is all about PMMC instrument.